Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will continue our series of the videos on the terms related to cybersecurity. Today we will discuss what is SCD, Secure Configuration Document. So friends, when we work on different devices or technologies, devices when I say, it may be firewalls, load balancers, different tools, backup solutions, etc. etc. When I talk about technology, it may be some middleware like Tomcat, Apache, databases, for example, Oracle database, SQL database, and all such kind of databases, DocumentDB on Amazon, and operating systems, Windows, Linux, AIX, and like this. So whenever we work on these technologies or devices, then it is always recommended to configure these devices with security guidelines. Or in simple words, I can say that before putting these devices in the actual uses, or before putting these devices actually in production, these devices should be hardened with security parameters. The configuration of those devices should be done in that way so that no one can try to exploit the vulnerabilities or configurational issues which may turn into the cybersecurity issue. So hardening, when you apply the hardening guidelines to the devices, then those hardening guidelines or the baseline of the hardening can be dependent on different frameworks, different security guidelines published globally, or even published by the OEM itself. So when we write down all those security guidelines into some document, then that document becomes the secure configuration document for that technology or device. In nutshell, we say SCD of that device. Suppose we create the secure configuration device for the load balancer, firewall, backup solution, antivirus, Active Directory, then it becomes the SCD for that related technology. If we create the hardening guidelines into document form for the Windows, AIX, Tomcat, Apache, then it is called SCD of that particular technology. So SCD is nothing but a document comprising the hardening guidelines for any technology or the devices, so that the secure configuration of those devices can be done against some baseline practices available globally or published by the OEM. Thank you.